What's up, Wes? I'm Olivia.
And I'm MJ.
Have you ever tried to have a conversation with someone while they're distracted by their phone? See what I mean? Do you know that on an average, students ages 8 through 10 in the United States spend 4 to 6 hours a day watching or using screens? West Press staff have found the statistics to be accurate here in the West Middle School.
Three hours and 40 minutes. Time.
5 hours and 7 minutes.
Two hours and 47 minutes.
Time.
5 hours. 12 hours. Three hours and 55 minutes today.
It's 4 hours and 50 minutes.
Wow, that's a lot of screen time.
Huh? What? Screen time?
You know, sometimes people pay so much attention to their screens that they have a hard time making friends in the real world.
So, you're in middle school. You don't have any friends. No surprise. But I assume you want to make some friends. I'm going to help you with that. This is MJ. MJ, like many of you, doesn't have any friends. Step 1. Find someone to approach. I know people say not to judge a book by its cover, but sometimes it's necessary. Find someone who may have similar interests as you.
I like squids.
I like squids too!
Step 2. Introduce yourself. Don't be weird, but be yourself. Find a little gray area to work in.
Hi, I'm MJ.
Hi, I'm Owen.
Blah, 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 blah.
Step 3. Continue the conversation. You've been talking to this person for a while. Keep going. Act natural. Walk off into the sunset. And step 4 is don't mess it up. Don't.
I love to read. I wonder if I could find a friend in the library.
Maybe I should go to the library, where it's quiet.
You are so addicted to your screen, you probably wouldn't even know how to check out a book.
Hi Titans! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to check out a book from the LMC. First, you're going to walk into the library and sit at one of the computers to search for a book you would like to read, such as Between Shades of Grey. If you click on the book you would like, it will say where it is located in the library. If needed, write it down on a piece of paper given at the table with the computers. Then go look for your book. Once you find your book, go to the librarians, put in your number, and they'll check it out for you. Have fun reading, Titans!
Oh, you're back.
Yeah, I got this pretty good book.
Anyway,
This is West Press signing off.
Oh, deep down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never ever learned to read or write.